Hello friends, this is me Nadeem Abbas from Pakistan. I am the student of Hua Chong University of Science and Technology. If you want to take information about scholarship, Chinese government scholarship, or about one bed, one road scholarship, or any other scholarship, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Irfan, our friend, he requested me from Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about Hua Chong University of Science and Technology, HUST, one of the best and one of the top universities in China and also in Asia. So if you want to apply, if you have acceptance, if you don't have acceptance, you can apply. I suggest you, if you don't apply, if you not apply yet in any university in Chinese government scholarships, then apply, because my friends are studying there, and they says that and they saw many people in last year and previous year got scholarship without acceptance letter. They don't have any acceptance letter from any supervisor in from HUST University, so they got scholarship. So that's why I will tell you, and I will inform you, I advise you apply in this university, because this is in, I think it's on top 10 in top 10 in China. So if you want to apply, then apply as soon as possible. So now came to the point, because in this video I will tell you complete process about Hua Chong University of Science and Technology, because they changed their online system. So they changed the format on online system. So stay connected with me, I will tell you completely. So Chinese authorities, Chinese government scholarship university name Hua Chong University of Science and Technology, and student category bachelor and master and PhD students also can apply. Fully funded scholarship, 2,500 RMB for bachelors, 3,000 RMB for masters, and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. But this university have 600 RMB application fee, almost $100,000 is the application fee. $100 is the application fee. $1,000 is too much. So $100 is application fee. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. So last year. 31st of March is the deadline of this university. All international students can apply. Age limits for master 35 and PhD 40 years. So for bachelor 25 years. You can apply with English proficiency certificate, because my friends which are studying in HUST, they apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. So if you don't have IELTS, then you can apply. So how you apply for the scholarship? First you fill CSC online application form, and after filling CSC online application form, you must fill HUST online application form and upload all required documents. No need to send hard copies. 600 RMB application fee. When you submit your online application form, then they says you are check your status on your portal. They says you to pay the 600 RMB application fee. So came to the point. This is the way you can pay the application fee. You can pay the application fee through bank card, Alipay, WeChat, and international card. Because last time when I applied, my friends are there, and they pay my application fee. They go to international office and give them 600 RMB, and my status change to in process into final result unreleased. Unfortunately, I'm not selected, because in civil engineering department there is they not select any Pakistani, because something happened with the dean, and they don't accept Pakistani student in civil engineering department. So that's why I'm not selected in HUST. Otherwise I am on first priority from my professor. So this year I'm still I have no I have no chance. I am not sure to apply in HUST University. So after paying online application fee, you then must check your status daily. It's changed into in process and these kind of things. So click here to apply on CSC online application for portal. How you fill the online CSC application portal, link in the description. You can you can check and check and explore it. So click here to apply on university portal. How you fill the university form I will tell you in this video, don't worry about that. Required documents: first you have a CSC online application form, and you must fill HUST online application portal. When you fill CSC application form and HUST application form, which documents required? You must have highest degree. If you don't have highest degree, then upload HOPE certificate if you are student yet. So transcript of highest education, notarized copy, study or research plan, personal statement, CV, recommendation letters, passport copy. Upload the original physical examination form. Click here to download the application form or physical examination certificate of no criminal record. This last year they don't required any police clearance certificate, but this year it's compulsory. English proficiency certificates, IELTS is not mandatory, acceptance letter is optional, because many students select without acceptance letter. Last time I think 28 to 30 Pakistanis select in HUST, and 14 students I think they don't have any acceptance and get the scholarship. So click here and go to the official advertisement of Ha Chung University of Science and Technology. This is the link. This one is the official advertisement. When you click on this link, where is the link? Okay, this when you click on this link, then you can go to the HUST online application portal on the official advertisement. So you can check here, and I will tell you the which majors. The main and the main benefit of this university, in this university you can check the major. For undergraduate, these are the majors: clinical and mechanical design, manufacturing and automation, telecommunication engineering, and international economics and business. And for graduate programs, means for like masters and PhD students, international trade, business administration, administrative management, e-government, information and communication engineering, computer applied technology, civil engineering, biomedical engineering, mechanical engineering, new energy science and engineering, material science engineering, chemistry and internal medicine. This is only 2 years. Means if you are selected and go to HUST in 2020, September 2020, then your degree will be completed in 2022, means 2022. This have just only 2 years, not 3 years, only 2 years majors included in this. So if you want to apply in English majors, when looking for the English majors, then this is the best opportunity for those students who think that they complete their degree in 2 years. So this is the best opportunity for those. So these are the majors, and these are the documents required. These are the steps I will tell you. Application fee is 600 yuan. So these are the documents I will tell you: passport, certificate, financial certificate, bank statement for those who applied on self funded. So if you don't apply on self, then you don't need any bank statement. So all the recommendation letters, nomination letters, and these kind of, the nomination letter is this is not for you, so don't worry about this. So physical examination form and these all things, so you must fill the CSC online application portal. So all the things clear. Now came to the point, and we're going to the online application portal of the Chinese of the HUST University. So click here and click here and click here to go to the online application system. When you click come here, after login, you can see here, you can check. First you select your program type: master degree candidate, main HUST, School of Civil Engineering program, civil engineering, English medium, 2 years, means you are 2019 your major will be started and it's finished on 2022 7/15. So if there any HUST supervisor willing to accept you, yes. If you yes, then type the name of the supervisor and email. If no, then click no. Upload research proposal. If you have any, you must have personal statement, study plan or research proposal. Please upload it. If you are if you are the study plan is included in 3 or 4 pages, make a one PDF file or office file. No office file, no DOS file will be accepted, so PNG, JPG file. So I advise you to upload PDF file. So I click add to attachment and upload this. I am for example, this is my research proposal, so I click here and confirm it. So I also you must do you complete your application at China Scholarship Council? Yes. If you know, then if you are self-funded, then no, you click on yes, then upload the Chinese government scholarship. So for example, this is my Chinese government scholarship. You must upload your original, which you download the CSC application form from CSC website. Click here and confirm it. And recommendation letters, at least 2. If you have 2 recommendation letters in JPG, means image file, then make a one PDF of both the images file. Go to Google and type it JPG to PDF. You can make a PDF file. The size cannot exceed more than 3 MB, and click the your image file and confirm it. Click save and next. Okay, when you click on save and next, you go to the personal information. After in personal information, edit here, and you can select your photo size is 240 by 320. Upload your photo here. So for example, this is my photo. This is for demo, just for demo, and you can rotate also left to right and save the changes. Okay, save the changes and put your family name, put your given name, which is given on your passport. Full name is like your full name, family name and given name both. Already processed, select already processed. If you are in process, then select in process, because you must have passport. Without passport you cannot fill CSC online application form. Type your passport here, and expiry date of your passport is on 2020, which is mentioned on your passport. Upload passport home page here, attachment, and select on the upload passport. And male, married, Chinese name if you have, Pakistani if your nationality is, if you are a Nepal, Bangladeshi nationality, you select national ID card. ID number means your ID card number which is issued by government in every country. Type the ID card number here. So I will just give the demo here. Date of birth, select your date of birth, and country of birth, place of birth in which you are, which place you are born. So native language, what is your native language? Native language is your national language, means if you are an Indian, then your national language is Hindi, and if you are from Bangladeshi, then your national language is, I think, is Bengali. So these are the things. Highest level, if you are applying for master degree, then your highest level is bachelor. If you are applying for PhD, then your highest level is master. So these are the things which which is very important. Religion, Islam, and you can select your language on the basis of your own. And Government College University Faisalabad is my institute name, in which I previously graduated. Occupation, student. If you have any other occupation like scholar, engineer, worker, teacher, doctor, so you can select your on the basis of your own. So physical health status good, and street address, which is mentioned on your ID card number, stack here, or any given postal address. City and province also mentioned. This is my city and this is my province. So give the slash and inside between the slash between them and type it. Country, Pakistan. Phone number, type your phone number, mobile number, zip code. If you don't know your zip code, your city zip code, then type your city name in Google, and means if your city is in Delhi, Bombay, or these kind of things, type Bombay, and after Bombay you can type zip code or postal code of Bombay, or any other Dhaka, these kind of things you can put, and you can get your zip code. From mainland China, are you from migrant from mainland China? No, of course no. Please select your own. I select JPJ. Your normal university, means this is my for example, this is my passport, so I select passport and confirm it. Okay, so you must check your on the basis of your own. So give your family detail, father detail, name, date of birth, nationality, phone, email. If you don't have your father email, then give any email of your friend. This is formality, but you just need to put email. Position means what's your father doing. He's a businessman, he's a government servant. So you can put your own workplace, in which place your father will be working. So brother detail, nationality, and these kind of things, these are the same. Okay, now came to the point. Next, save and next. You please filled in your personal details. So yes, click on yes here. So after clicking on that, you will put your previous studies, study detail, for time start, in which time your study will be started, your highest degree study, and time which is mentioned on your transcript, institute name in which you are graduated mention on your degree, country name Pakistan, and you can select your own, major which is mentioned on your degree or transcript, or your highest degree is automatically type bachelor, because I select my highest degree bachelor in my previous step. So that's why medium of instruction is English. CGPA, mention your CGPA here. Certificate, please upload your certificate attachment here. This is my certificate, for example, and I uploaded it. Okay, now transcript, must upload the transcript here. If your transcript pages is 2 or more than 2, then you can make a one file of your transcript and upload, make PDF file and upload it. Okay, now did you publish any paper? If you publish any paper, then type the name of your paper. So I don't have any published paper yet, so I know. If you have any experience, then yes, experience, start, end date, company name, country address, and these kind of things. So I have no experience. If I type, then no. Language proficiency certificate, language proficiency, if you have Chinese proficiency, then select Chinese. If you have English proficiency and you get IELTS or any other things, so select IELTS. If you don't have IELTS, because this option is new here, new this time, so when you select other, then they must required score, because on English proficiency certificate there is no score will be mentioned. So that's why. So other level, English level is excellent, or English proficiency certificate score is excellent. Type if you want to type. If you don't type, then go none. And in other language you must type English proficiency, but I think select other. It depends on you, because I have no idea about this option, because this is new for this year. So you must confirm, because they want to upload English proficiency certificate here. So if I am, then click on English proficiency certificate, because there is no option, so you can go you can select none. Okay, it depends on you, but if you have IELTS, then you can apply, because without IELTS you can get the scholarship, because my friends are studying there, and they get scholarship. So it depends on you. If you want to type other, then type English proficiency here, and score is excellent, type excellent. So there is no any other option. So it depends on you which thing you want to type. And must upload English proficiency certificate. But if you type none, then you can type English proficiency certificate and go forward. Okay, no hobbies, sports, select sports and these kind of things. So I select sports, I select instrument performance, sporting class, art, these kind of things. And which one is badminton, basketball, football, tennis, and these kind of things. Upload achievement and rewards. If you have achieved any achievement like sports category and other things, upload, otherwise leave it. Do you have any insurance that covering your study during a period in China? No insurance. So insurance contract documents, if you select yes, then upload your documents. So I select no. And physical examination form report, yes, we have a physical examination form report. Upload your physical examination form here. Okay. Do you have any past criminal record? No. yes. If you have yes, then but select no. After selecting no, you can upload your English police clearance certificate, no criminal record. Like, okay, do you have any other rewards? Might not belong to the aforementioned categories. If you have yes, then upload. If you don't have any, then click on no, click on save and next option, and go to the yes. Okay, after clicking on that, now came to the emergency contact. If you have emergency contact, then give the detail of your father, brother, and any other things, because if something wrong will be happened in China, then they will contact with your father, or brother, or any friends who can deal them. So give the name, type name, mobile phone number, or email, organization, address, and how you collected and received admission notice. So if you want to if your friends in Hust University authorized, or any other person, then select here. If you want to go with the please select please post it to my address, which I mentioned in start, because in starting you I mentioned that you must type your street address and zip code and these kind of things, so you can but I will advise you must select please post it into my new address. When you click here, then again you give your detail of your postal address according to your situation. So mobile number, this is just for demo. You can must give your correct detail on portal. So the receiver country Pakistan, and receiver city, province, and these kind of things. Receiver address, zip code, you must mention zip code, and click on save and next. Okay, after clicking save and next, click on yes, and other contact information: first Facebook account, WeChat account, LinkedIn account, Twitter, MSN. If you have any, then upload your then must give your WeChat ID if you have. If you don't have any, then go with leave it blank and go forward. Say and next, click on yes. And no, this is the overview of the application form. When you fill the application form, then must check that either if you do have some doing mistake, then improve it, erase it, and correct it. So these are the application form. After filling this, you can click on submit application. I think when you click on submit application, then fee option will be shown, and within 15 days after filling the online application form, you must pay the fee. How you pay the fee? If your friends in China, then they will pay for you, and if you are in Pakistan and want to pay, then you can pay with the MasterCard and these kind of things. Again, one thing more which I want to tell you, if you want to check check last year result for the Hust University, then come here, cscguideofficial.com, and click on the CSE scholarship result. When you click on CSE scholarship result, you can see here the different universities result, and Hust University nomination list, DUT University nomination list. So I will tell you about Hust University, how many students selected last year in Hust University. So I will tell you in this video, because scholarship they start scholarship in 2013 and select students in 2013. So we focus on 2018. So in this in 2019, first we discuss 2019. In 2019, last year, they select almost I think 135 students all over the world. So in 2018 they select 130 students, and you can see here red mark. Nadeem Abbas is my friend here studying there. So they say me, and a lot of students select without acceptance letter this year and last year. So that's why I tell you you can apply with without acceptance letter. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and come on cscguideofficial.com for other university scholarship like CSE scholarship, university scholarship, and these kind of things. You will get every update on our website. So hope good luck and take care of you. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.